If her breathing shows even one of these patterns, she is attracted to you. And her body cannot hide it. A woman can control her words. She can fake a smile. But breathing, that is involuntary. When she is attracted, her breath gives her away through 4 patterns. Once you know what to listen for, you will never miss it again. I am Dr. Sophia, and what I am about to explain is grounded in human physiology, nervous system response, and unconscious attraction cues that happen automatically without conscious effort. Point 4. She takes deeper breaths when you are close. Pay attention when you move into her personal space. If her breathing suddenly becomes deeper, her chest rising and falling more noticeably, that is her body responding to your proximity. She inhales more deeply when you lean in. Her breath becomes fuller, more pronounced. You can actually see her chest expand more than before. This deeper breathing is not accidental. It is driven by her autonomic nervous system reacting to attraction. Why does this happen? Because attraction activates the sympathetic nervous system, which increases heart rate, blood flow, and oxygen demand. Her body literally needs more air when you are close. Women do not breathe deeper around men they feel indifferent toward. This physiological shift only happens when your presence is affecting her physically, emotionally, and neurologically. So if you notice her breathing change when you get closer, her body is communicating attraction even if her words stay neutral. Number 3, her breathing syncs with yours. This one is powerful and most men never notice it because it happens quietly and naturally. When 2 people are deeply connected or attracted, their breathing patterns begin to synchronize without conscious intention. You inhale, she inhales. You exhale, she exhales. Watch for this during conversation, especially during moments of eye contact or emotional connection. If your breathing rhythms start to match without either of you trying, that is biological bonding happening in real time. She mirrors your breath pattern unconsciously because her nervous system is aligning with yours. When you take a deep breath, she does too within seconds. Your rhythms align naturally as your bodies enter the same physiological state. This is called physiological synchrony, and research shows it occurs when there is genuine attraction, trust, and emotional attunement. Her body is literally harmonizing with yours. You can even test this subtly. Slow your breathing intentionally and calmly. If she follows your pattern without realizing it, you are not just attracting her, you are connecting with her on a primal and subconscious level. Number 2, she holds her breath when you touch her. Pay close attention to the exact moment you make physical contact. If you touch her arm, her hand, or her shoulder, and her breathing suddenly stops for a brief moment, that is anticipation mixed with arousal. She may inhale sharply when you touch her and then hold that breath for a beat before exhaling slowly. It is as if her body freezes for a split second. This reaction happens because touch from someone she is attracted to creates a surge of sensory input that briefly overwhelms the nervous system. Her breath catches because her body is processing the intensity of the sensation and the meaning behind the touch. Women do not hold their breath when casual acquaintances touch them. This response only occurs when the touch carries emotional and physical significance. When the contact is loaded with attraction, her body reacts before her mind can filter it. So if her breathing pauses the moment you make contact, that pause is a powerful signal that her body is responding to you. Number 1, she starts breathing through her mouth instead of her nose. This is the clearest physiological sign of arousal. When a woman becomes genuinely attracted and aroused, her breathing often shifts from nasal breathing to mouth breathing. Her lips part slightly and she begins taking breaths through her mouth. You may suddenly hear her breathing when you could not before. Her mouth may remain slightly open even when she is not talking. She is taking visible breaths through parted lips because her body is increasing oxygen intake. Why does this happen? Because arousal significantly raises oxygen demand, and mouth breathing delivers oxygen faster and in greater volume than nose breathing. Her body is subconsciously preparing for heightened physical and emotional engagement. This is not something she can easily fake or consciously control. It is pure biology responding to attraction and arousal. So if her breathing shifts to her mouth while you are together, if you can suddenly hear her breathe when moments ago you could not, her body has moved into a state of arousal. And you are the cause. There you have it. For breathing patterns that expose her attraction instantly. Her breath cannot lie. It reveals what her words may never say. Breathing is controlled by the nervous system, not social strategy, which makes it one of the most honest indicators of attraction. Now you know exactly what to listen for and what to observe. Stay aware, stay calm, and let her body tell you the truth before her mouth ever does. Hit subscribe. The next video is waiting.